watching some 4th of July.
Yeah.
This is amazing.
Oh.
I started recording at the perfect time.
Good.
Oh. I love the big ones.
Of course.
Like that.
Oh, they look like.
Like the really, really, really big and bright ones. So this camera doesn't make it look as good as it actually is, but this is amazing.
Ooh, I like those.
Ooh, that one's cool. Oh. I love the ones that just like secondary.
Pretty. Wow.
That was my favorite one so far. I love the ones that like
Like that afterwards?
yeah, and then like make other explosions like that.
Yeah.
I love the ones. I love those ones. Oh, that one's going high.
Splitter.
I love the splitters. Whoa!
Wow, that was a good one.
I love these.
Cool.
Imagine how big those things actually are.
That was pretty.
Yeah. Hundreds of feet wide.
That's what I was thinking. And then hundreds of feet in the air.
Couple hundred in it. Ooh, that was a nice one.
Now they're only like a few hundred feet away from us. Maybe 1,000 feet away only. Not 1,000 feet. Only a few hundred feet away.
I think you're closer at 1,000.
Okay, this camera cannot capture how amazing these things actually are. Ooh, I kind of like that one.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
I love the ones that just make you feel shake. The ones that make you shake. That one was pretty. Oh, and it went out again. Ooh.
Oh, pretty.
I love the extra big and bright ones that like actually light up the entire place. Like that one. Oh, yes. That was my favorite. Oh, that one's going high.
The extras.
I never want this to end.
That's a power on that pop.
That's also some I like. The ones that make you feel the bang. The ones that make you feel the explosion. Boop, 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 boop.
Oh, that was cool. It was sparkling on the way up. That was cool. Ooh, there's a spinner.
Oh, bugs. The bugs. I love this so much.
Thing we came, huh?
The duo. The gang is here. The gang is here.
Wow. Long, man.
Look at all the smoke it just highlights.
Wow.
How do you make fireworks that explode with like design?
I don't know.
Like some of them were like rings in the middle and stuff shooting out at the top. How is that possible?
It's how they're laid out in the canister. Ooh, that was a
That was my favorite. That one was massive. Oh, that one's pretty.
Ooh, extras.
Oh. Whoa. Big boom.
Ooh. Ooh, there's a bright
Oh,
one.
pretty.
Ooh,
Ooh,
like that.
sparkling on the way up.
I like that.
Ooh, that one was pretty.
There's multicolors. Light blue.
Come on, we need one that just straight up lights everything up. We need one that lights up, like, a lot.
Oh, there one.
Oh.
Did. That one did.
Oh.
Watch the ground and it lights it up. Nice. Oh. Oh, there. Ah, big one.
That one took up the entire screen on the video.
Ooh.
See, that's what I was talking about. Design of the explosion.
See how they're laid out in the canvas.
That one was small but pretty. Ooh. Boop, 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 boop.
Ooh, there's a. That one's a bright one.
That one lit up everything. Jeez. These have been going for 7 minutes now. And I've recorded every second of it.
Whoa.
Ooh.
I'm definitely posting this.
Wow, that one's a big one. Those spiders. Ooh, I like
Ooh,
that.
I like
Imagine the thumbnail for this video.
Wow.
Ooh.
Amazing. Amazing. We got a whistler.
Ooh. Whoa, yeah. That one's little ants. Oh,
That was my favorite. 100%.
let's see next. Ooh. Circle of blue.
It like fizzles out into like a UFO design.
Jeff, I just thought those people that drove up there were probably the ones helping with fireworks.
I hope so. That was a big one.
This is amazing. Come on, extra bright one. I guess it was extra bright.
Ooh. Wow. There's a big one too. Listen.
Oh, I love this.
Cracklers.
You can smell it.
Ooh.
That one was kind of pretty.
Yeah. That was bright. Red, white, blue.
Birds that fly over this.
Sure they're flying away.
I'm sure there aren't any deer in like 1,000-foot radius. Or like a mile or like half a mile radius of this. That one was pretty.
Yeah. Alright.
The duo. The dynamic duo.
Oh, they're going fast now. Boom, 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 boom. That was cool.
Oh, that one lit up everything. Ooh, spinner.
Okay, time to go.
Ready.
We're leaving? No, we're not. We're staying. We must stay and watch.
Oh, there comes.
We will stay and watch all of the fireworks. Oh wait, no, my phone probably can't record that much.
Ooh.
Oh, bright one, bright one, bright one.
I like those.
Whoa, whoa.
Oh, they do that.
I love the ones that just make you shake.
That was cool.
Boo, 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 boo.
Red,
Ooh.
white.
Ah. These things have been going for so long. I love it. Oh, there's some over there too. You can see these ones better
Yeah.
and hear them better.
Well, they got sparklers over there.
Yeah, they do. Spent some money.
Whoa.
I don't know why they light them now, though.
Oh,
Big shows going on.
competition.
Wow.
This is amazing. I've said it so many times, but it's true. I think I'm gonna stop the video at at around the 15-minute mark.
But you know what's the best?
Huh?
The grand finale at the end.
I know. Won't be able to see it though, because I think it'll be a good idea to make.
We'll stop it and then you can record the grand finale.
Exactly. So, okay, I'll we see
don't
what
know
when the grand finale is, so I'm just gonna keep recording. Wow, 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 wow. That's amazing.
I'm glad we didn't go out today.
Agreed. This is amazing. Oh, there's a dark one. That one was red, white, and blue.
Doing a couple at a time. This is getting close.
Ooh, nice.
Ooh, that one had a pretty design.
Sparkles.
Ooh, spinner. What's a high one? Let's see.